Today we'll break down how to choose the perfect solar system for your home or business. Step 1. Assess your energy needs. Look at your past utility bills to understand your average energy consumption. This will help you estimate the size of the solar system you require. A common rule of thumb is to aim for a system that can cover around 100% of your energy usage, but depending on your goals, you might want to consider a smaller system if you're looking to reduce costs or if you plan to expand your energy needs in the future. Step 2. Consider your location. Solar efficiency is heavily influenced by sunlight exposure. If you live in a region with abundant sunlight, you'll need fewer panels to generate the same amount of energy compared to a cloudier area. Use tools like solar mapping software such as Helioscope, PV-Syst, or Aurora Solar Mapping to evaluate your roof's solar potential. This can help you determine the best placement for your solar panels, maximizing sun exposure throughout the day. Then, research different types of solar panels. There are monocrystalline, polycrystalline, and thin film panels, each with its own efficiency ratings and costs. Monocrystalline panels tend to be the most efficient and space-saving, while polycrystalline panels are generally more affordable but take up more space. Thin film panels are lightweight and flexible but usually have lower efficiency. And finally, don't forget about the financial aspect. Look into incentives, rebates, and financing options available in your area. Many governments offer tax credits for solar installations, which can significantly reduce your upfront costs.
We are specialized solar transmission and distribution design engineering consultants. You can book our expert engineering team to support your project. Plus, we offer a 14-day free consultation for our B2B clients. It's a great chance to get tailored insight for your business needs.